Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on putting real snow in slime, and I'm going to prove to you that this is actual snow. I put it in a Ziploc baggie and looked it outside. There's so much snow, but there's a lot more in like the front of the house. But look at that. Hopefully you guys can see. Look at the pool. First of all, like it was complete ice and now there's snow all on it. Like look. God, there's so much snow. So yeah, I got a piece of slime here. My fingers are freezing. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, it just feels so weird when I poke the slime. Like, what? Oh, it feels so weird. Okay. Anyways, here's the slime that I have. And some real snow. And I feel like it's gonna melt it because, I don't know, I just have a feeling that it is. Like, my brother's still out there. There's so much snow. He's like in the front of the house, not in the back. So, yeah, I think it's gonna melt it. Cause it's like falling out. I don't know, I feel like it's making it harder. What? It's weird. Comment below if you think this is gonna melt the slime or make it harder. Comment below right now. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna work because whenever I add it into the slime, it just becomes like ice and then like it just falls out. So yeah, but this is definitely not gonna make cloud slime. I know that. Maybe it's like too frozen or something. It just fell out. Look, they're not even. See, one just fell out. They just keep falling out, flying out everywhere. Yeah, so this was a complete fail. So do not put actual snow in slime. So to make cloud slime. So if you want to make cloud slime, use instant snow or a diaper or whatever. So yeah, bye.